All right, welcome to the stream. Let's get started. Starting kind of late. Ideally, I want to start streaming every day at 10 a.m. I think that's good. But it happens. So let's see if I can get this display working. So it's not just showing my face. Okay. So we have it up for now, right? A little bit. Then do this. Okay, not the screen, but like just shift it. Now we're here. Cool. All right, we're ready. We're all ready. And I just like mess this thing up. Cool. Longest increasing subsequence. I just solved like the LCS one, so like I feel like I can solve this one. I solved it off stream. Hopefully this thing, I gotta keep my eye on it, but hopefully it doesn't like break. Anyways, I guess I'll start with a recap of just the problems that I've done so far. To do this again, so we have a Pacific Atlantic flow. I saw that on stream yesterday. Then off stream, I think I solved like this daily, and then I did like this graph problem and this one. Yeah, these are all fun. These are some fun ones. Nth node of a list, like pretty straightforward. I haven't done a linked list problem before, so I like wasn't sure if I'd even be able to do it, but I did. Couldn't do the follow up. Looked at the follow up, and it's like tortoise and the hare. Is it? No, it's not. I don't even know like what the one past one is. Maybe I just didn't even look at it, but like 256 hooligan. Hey, how's your Leetcode session? I like briefly saw you. I don't think you were on stream. I just saw you like your empty chair. How'd your session go? One pass. I'll practice today later. Okay, nice. I need to have this chat like maybe on the top right. Nice. I'll stop by for sure. I'm like right now, like my goal is to just try to solve all these problems. Yeah, just working my way down. You prefer pure C? Bro, that's crazy. Pure C. That's a rare one too. There's not that many people who are just like, I don't think there's that many people who are doing C. Like it's either C++, Java, or Python. C scares me, honestly. Let's see. This problem. Also, I'm curious too. How long have you been like doing like the problems. I'm really surprised too. I was really expecting. I thought it was just like a Russian. Everything was like in Russian, so I was like, I don't even know. It's not popular nowadays. Got the Cyrillic. Nice, nice. Yeah, I just saw the chat. I was just like, okay. But how long, I guess, have you been solving problems, or and like what are you solving them for? Like I'm trying to do my. Yeah, I mean, I kind of say it too, but my goal is just to get a job. So that's like the biggest reason that I'm doing this. That's it. I mean, I do like it. It's super fun, super interesting. The algorithm could be optimized. Sort of one pointer. You have a pointer that goes to n+1. You create a gap. I'm creating a gap. Yeah, I think I remember this. Create a gap. You jump ahead n times. And then just increment them, and then you'll actually get there. Where am I from? I'm from Pensacola, Florida. Kind of a, I guess, a small city in Florida. And I'm currently living in Colombia. So, oh, nice. Okay, DuckDuckGo maps, like Apple Maps, is so terrible. This is not, like, it's so slow. Google Maps is so much better. But let's see my map. I don't think I have any something bad here, but maybe I am. I'm doxing myself. Don't actually want to dox myself. And my display just crashed, so nice. But yeah, I'm from Pensacola, Florida. I was gonna like show on the map, like just like the city, but cool. Oh my god, it's like I have no idea what's happening. Okay, cool. So I think this is fine. Yeah. So yeah, I'm from Pensacola, Florida. It's like a small city, and this near Alabama. But I'm currently living in Manizales, Colombia. So it's like kind of, again, a small city. It's like in the mountains. It's a really nice city though. Would recommend it. It's really cheap, but my plan is like, to move down to San Francisco. And yeah, get a job, tech job, go to San Francisco, or go to New York City. Like just something where it's like something's happening. Stuff's happening. You can see my thing is like in Spanish too. I guess like a geolocated. Yeah. I need to like. Okay. I'm from a great place. Florida, maybe, or maybe just like the United States. Like I guess if I'm going like nationalistic, I want to say like the United States is like a great place. But like Florida is okay. It's not that great. It's nice for sure. Like if you like the beach, if you're into like swimming, beach stuff, it's nice. My speech is very pleasant. Thanks. Thanks. Wait, and where are you from? And are you from Russia? I'm guessing your stream is just in Russian. Okay, so this is another problem that I solved. So 1730. I'm just gonna like just repeat as we go like through these problems. Yeah, you were from Russia. Okay, cool. Cool. I really liked Russia. I mean it's kind of like more complicated now because of the war that's happening, but I really want to go to Russia. Like I've been traveling too, right? I'm living in Colombia right now, and had Russia on my list, but you know that's not happening with this war. So maybe put that out maybe 5 years later or 10 years later down the line. Okay, so I solved 1730 shortest path to get food. This one is just like a standard BFS problem that you'll see. Just creating a deck like a queue, appending like that position, and then keeping track of like your current steps, and then just like returning the smallest one. You probably could get through this using like Dijkstra's too, maybe, I don't know, but like just a really easy one. All right, good luck. Good luck 256 hooligan. BetSimp, yo, new LC streamer, how's it going? It's going good. Just grinding, doing some problems. I was solving problems in like 2022, like to switch my job, and got a new job, and now I'm like looking for a new one, and currently not working, which is why I'm like logged in doing Leetcode at like on a Thursday at 11 a.m. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. My guess, and I guess too, I should probably say that I have a DoorDash interview coming up, and I have like it's just like a phone screening, so in like 5 days, and hopefully that'll go well. I don't know, we'll see. I mean, I could just bomb everything, so could just bomb everything. One thing that like surprised me too is that like I wasn't expecting there to be so many like Leetcode streamers. Code looks clean. Thanks. Yeah, so going back, these I'm just going over like some of the problems I solved yesterday just to like talk through them. And I think like this is gonna help me just get better at explaining problems, like if I'm in an interview in general, and in general just helping me like get better at talking, explaining, and things like that. So yeah, so I solved like maybe 5 problems yesterday, and this one is just like a BFS. So it was literally just like I've written this like so many times, and then I don't think that there's really anything too different about it, just getting the shortest path. There's so many Leetcode problems like this. But yeah, just creating this one, have like a step counter so that each thing like you're tracking and knowing like, okay, which one, and then whenever you hit like the pizza, you just break out and stop and then adjust. Yeah. Going more into detail into it, right? We have a queue, a deck. Directions is like my favorite like pattern for doing like BFS or like any of these like number of island problems. So you just like instead of doing 4 if statements, you just do like a for loop through the array, and then you just like increment up, down, left, right, and you just check if you're in bounds with 1 if statement as opposed to doing 4. And so you get like a little bit shorter code. Do you ever do like for DRDC and directions? Yeah, so that's what I should do too. I didn't name it DRDC. Like sometime I think I get kind of confused and I do like XY, and so then I was like, oh wait, well XY is like weird because I already named this XY. Row column is weird but I didn't know any name I could do it, so I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna type directions. But DRDC, I think that's actually a good idea. I should do DRDC in the future and then just DRDC. Because I was just yeah, but like it wasn't really like a struggle. Like I was just like, I'm just gonna solve this, just bang it out. But DRDC is better for sure than doing direction. I do RC as inputs, and then DRDC as the deltas, and NRC, yeah. Yeah, that's better. It's faster for sure. Okay, yeah, so I did that. Then you check the if statement, append, yeah. So that was that one. And then top K frequent words. This one, again, I just kind of coded out. Now, I looked at the solutions of what people do. I said, yeah, I only care about speed. Not going to interview for a while. Nice. Yeah, I mean, if you're... For speed, like, I mean, variable names, I feel like they're really easy. Like, it's really easy to just, like, do it quick. And then, like, when you're in the interview, like, write it. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, though. Maybe you get into a habit. I don't know. But anyways, so here's another one. Shoot. Top K frequent words. I just kind of wrote this thing out. It's kind of a long solution compared to the people's like solution. Like I looked at it and I was like, oh wow, you guys did this way shorter. And this problem is just like getting all of the occurrences of the words. So you use counter, then you have a just a mapping of the values, like the frequencies to the key, and then like I kind of did this kind of wonky, honestly. Like it could be better, but you should learn quick select for this problem. I don't think I saw that in those solutions when I did it. Oh, but also like my thing speed wise is pretty good. I'm surprised. What's quick select? Because I don't see it on here. Like normally people say like, oh, I use this algorithm. This quick select. So it's like quick sort partition using a random pivot. I feel like this is really complicated though. O of n plus k log k. Yeah, it feels really complicated. I guess I'll add this one to my list. I'll add it like to my notes of like just stuff to keep in mind with dynamic programming. So we could do dynamic programming. Quick select. There's like so many obscure algorithms. So quick select technically has the most optimal runtime. Yeah, I haven't seen that. Okay, the heap is really intuitive though. So I think that's it. And then what's pseudo palindromic paths? And this one's like backtracking, except you just keep track of like a global count. You subtract and add after. So quicksort basically has the most optimal runtime. It's basically the helper function you use when implementing quicksort. Okay. I have to look into it later. Maybe I don't know how much time I'll have. For sure, if it comes up in this list, then I'll be forced to look at it. If there's like one problem in this list that says like it needs to be done. I did pretty well like on like the last problem too. On the last contest, I got like 3,000. I was really surprised. Yeah, because it was literally like the second question was just BFS, and the first question was like just like a mapping, like very similar to that last problem that I just solved. It was just like mapping things. So that was cool. And like I was looking at like where people place on it. I haven't even done any contests right since 2022. That's when I started, and that's when I was like, doing these problems last time. But like I've been kind of like going back up. But like I want to do Guardian. maybe go for Guardian. I might be able to. I don't know. We'll see. Don't manage to do the weeklies, but I got 150 on the bi-weekly. Nice. That's sick. You're Leetcode Guardian. That is Leetcode Guardian status. That's nice. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, because like I kind of saw it. I mean, I guess we'll see, like, depending on how the other contests go. And I'm gonna keep solving these problems like every day, I think. But I was looking at the people who also scored this, and they were like top 10%, and I'm at top 35%. So, and I don't even think this one was like a struggle. I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens. I don't know, but as long as there's no dynamic programming, because I have not studied that at all. I'm just like skipping all those. Anyways, that said, we're gonna do a dynamic programming problem. The pseudo palindromic pairs. This is one that is just like backtracking, so like going through and keeping a track of every list, and then if you had a leaf and everything is even in that counts so far, then we just return like true / like we just increment like whatever the answer is, and we just keep going through like every leaf. So if you can solve the first 3 pretty quickly, you'll be like 1900. Okay. Cool. Yeah, so that's this problem. And then like the code that I did, which I don't even think I actually did this. I think I literally just copied this from somebody, because I did my backtracking one and then I got a memory exception. And so I was like, okay, I'm just going to copy this, but it's just like adding the count and then like decrementing the count. I use the map, but like he uses an array because they're digits. Yeah, if it's a leaf and the count is like less than, like kind of a weird thing to check if the count is or all even inside of them, but like you could just do a for loop instead of a one-liner. But yeah, all right. I think that's fine. I might have trouble like coding that one out, but I'm not too interested in coding it out because it was just a daily. But I'll just keep it in mind that memory leaks are a thing. Cool. All right, longest increasing subsequence. This one, I know it's dynamic programming, but let's see, how do I know the solution? Because I don't know if I do. So I think it's 10, 9, 2, 5. Is it that you? 2, 5. Then it would be 2, 3, 7, 101. It's like I think you need to keep count of like the longest ones would be like 1, and okay, the length is actually really short. So this one's just O of n squared solution, I guess. You could do O of n squared for this one. And it's just like going backwards. So you check if this number is less than this number. So like go through. And when you're at 10, like, okay, 10 is just 1. But then here you're going to say, oh, well, was 9 greater than 10? And if it is, then you increment and you say like, okay, well, then this one's like 2. It's like whatever the DP array at this one was. Yeah, I think that works. I think that's the answer to this one. So you'll just do like 10, 9, but then you hit 2 and you'll hit like 1, and you'll go to 5, but then you'll like go through all of these, but then the 5 is greater than 2, so then you'll take it and you're like, oh well, whatever 2 was plus 1, and then you'll do 3 will go here, and it'll be like, oh, okay, well whatever 2 was plus 1, and then just keep going. Yeah, I think that's fine. So like we'll just initialize the DP array. Probably to 1s. I saw one thing where you pad it so you don't have to check boundaries. But I don't care. It's fine. We won't pad it. Oh my god. If I is 0. If I is 0, then DP at 0. Or no, just continue, whatever. Maybe, yeah. DP at 0 equals 1. And then we'll do like DP at, like if nums at I is less than nums at j. DP at I, j, or no. What's the max of DP at I? Is DP at j plus 1. And then return whatever the max is inside of this. And it's strictly increasing. Yeah, I think that's fine, right? Forgot to do length. Then just missing this one. 0, 1, 0, 3, 2, 3. Which is, so I have like a DP array. Maybe we should just do all zeros instead of like being. No, now we're like 1 down. My easy in-log-in solution, if you want to check it out. I'm a CPP loser, so hopefully the Python isn't bad. Okay, nice. Yeah, I'll check it out. Let me see if I can get this thing to pass in like 30 seconds, and then I'll check out that. Check that out. This one's like one of the classic problems, like the classic dynamic programming problems. Take your time. You should write out the n squared solution. Okay. So here's 0, right? We do like the 1 because it's the first one, and then we check. Oh, is it increasing? Yeah, it is. Is this increasing? 0. 0 should be 1. Actually, it should be 0, I think. But this one, yeah, should be tagged as a 1. That might be an issue. Oh my god, and this thing just like broke again. Okay. The display stopped working. Okay, flip this thing so I can get the display working again. Okay, cool. Oh my god, no. I hate this so much. My I'm using like a docking station, and I think it's like breaking, or my computer is just like too weak for it. I don't know. But yeah, it's just causing me a lot of problems, and I have to buy a new. I think I need. I don't know if I need to buy a new docking station. I don't know, or just keep like complaining about it. Probably both. So okay, so yeah, so I think this just isn't being initialized to 1, which is pretty critical. Yeah, I think all of them should be 1 for sure. But then once this is 1, then we'll just have 3, and then we'll say like, okay, we'll go through all of these, get the max, which is the 2 actually. This 2, so we should grab the 2 and actually go to 3, but it's not. It can't be I plus 1 though, right? Like, that wouldn't make any sense. Maybe it does. Maybe it does make sense. If the number at this one's I, and then this one's J. So J has to be greater. Maybe I have these flipped. Yeah. Cool. Have them flipped. I think this is fine. Have it as 1, initialize them. And then just like keep going. Maybe the +1, that's like, that one's not necessary. I think it should be I, but yeah, it's fine. Okay, cool. So let's look at this other one, the solution. Meet 76. LeBron James of LLC of Leetcode. Nice. Good good username. Was this 4x in numbers? Greater index. Also, you said you didn't do Python, but like this is like Pythonic. Bisect left is also like, you have to know Python, I think. If the greater index is equal to the length, append, and then get the length of however many you append. So I'm surprised bisect works on something that's not sorted. But it is sorted actually, because it's LIS. Okay, because you just made the list. So this is sorted. You add them in sorted order. And then you just like get the length of however many that you added in sorted order. Pretty trippy for sure. Pretty trippy for sure. It's not a true. It's more like a LIS water level. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Because at certain points, the LIS array isn't technically a subsequence. but whenever you hit, there must be some subsequence of that length. Oh no, I really like this problem. Nice. Yeah, I don't understand this at all, but that's pretty cool that you came up with it. Like when you, I feel like whenever you like come up with like a really unique solution, it's like it's very gratifying. Like when like you come to the solutions and you're like, you go there and like nobody like had that same solution. For me, that makes me feel happy. Like I'm just like, oh wow, that's cool. Like I thought in a way that was like different than everybody else. Yeah, honestly, if you give a clean solution like this in an interview, you basically get hired for free. Yeah, because you're just like they're just like, wow, like that's crazy. Like you probably know something that I don't know, right? It's not like as opposed to like doing something. But yeah, no, it's a good feeling for sure. All right. Also, I need to like there's like so much stuff. Okay, once I get an actual like tech job, right? I'm going to have like an amazing computer that's gonna have for streaming. I'm gonna be on YouTube, on Twitch. I'm gonna get a chair is also big because like I need like actually I need like to have like the good posture, right? Like sitting like this, that's not it. Gotta get like the Chad posture. The non back pain posture, basically. Okay, we do where am I? Oh, here we go. Okay, did a DP problem. Nice. I skipped duplicate number. I attempted it yesterday. But then like and I know like kind of the solution now. I think it was the follow up. No, it wasn't. It was just without modifying the rate and all these constant space. This one was like use tortoise in the hare. So you have 2 pointers, fast and slow, and then you check like once they like equal each other. But that one's like that is such a weird solution. So I was like, I'm gonna come back to this. Yeah. Yeah, I got an Aeron during the pandemic with my Fang discount. Nice. The Aeron's good. We had I went to the University of Florida and all of our libraries had Aeron chairs and it was so nice. I love those chairs for sure. Erman Miller. Okay, and then I'll probably solve this one and then stop to eat lunch and then try to like stream again after I eat. Try to go live after I eat. I think. Maybe I'll order something. I don't know. Oh my god, so much talking. Okay, so this one I think is just does the graph have a cycle? I think that's the only scenario where a graph isn't a tree. Like a tree just has like a central node, and it's not even binary tree, which is cool. I think. So just check if it's a valid tree, right? So I think it's just check if it has a cycle. Trees don't have cycles. They just have leaves. And yeah, cool. So like has cycle. I don't remember the algorithm for it. I think it's just DFS and then you just check if you visited there. So you have like a processing and if 0 is set to processing. So you have like a scene and then you also have a processing. And that's that. And then you just like DFS. And probably every edge needs to be connected to. So you need to actually be able to iterate through every single one and get to everyone. No. Cool. Let's do graph is equal to default dictionary. And graph.items. And shoot, also I just realized that I need to like have it to where I can see the viewer count as I'm streaming. But okay, whatever. Okay, cool. So yeah, so let's start creating this. So do for source, destination, and edges. I'll just do a graph at source. Just start building our graph. And then just DFS, so like if node for child in graph. Like if child in scene then we'll just DFS child, and then we like add it to scene. I think it's like that, something like that, almost like that. And then we'll just, if there's a edge that's just in the middle of nowhere, then that one's also impossible. So like every single number needs to be like there. So like for in range in, if you DFS it, every scene node should be like, let's go here. If, and we'll name this house cycle. Yeah, like that. If the child has a cycle, then we just return true. Cool. And then like if it has a cycle, we just return true. And then return false. And then we need to check if the length of scene is not equal to n. Because then that is not. So then we'll go here, like so we'll start with 0, 0. It's not in processing. Then we'll go here. We'll add it to processing. And so like 0 is in our processing one. Then our scene one, and then we'll add it as scene. Go to 1. Let me just run it actually and see. I feel like it's not going to work, but key error because I didn't do list. Okay, cool. Doesn't work for this one. Return true, so it flips. I need to flip it. And now, okay, we do with this one. Cool. So this one we have a 0. Oh, and then I need to remove it from processing. Is it remove or just like delete? Do 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 4. Zero, 1, 4. Okay, wait, 0 and what? 0 there, see, processing scene. We'll go to 1. Go to 4. No, kick out. Kick out. Go here. Go here. No, it does not help me at all running through this. That's why we have debuggers. Okay, so fails at 0. And why is it that length of scene? It's not equal. The scene and n aren't equal to each other. Is that the reason? 0 and 5? Okay, I really wanted to test that though. Shouldn't scene be like something? What? 0, 5? Why did it do that 5 times? Okay, wait, no. Unless it has to go after, actually. 4. The length is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of surprised it happened. 0, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It never added 0? Why not? Oh my god. 3. Oh my god, dude, I have like, this is so annoying. What did I do wrong? I did like just one little tiny thing wrong, and I know I did, but like, if node in processing. What if I just do this instead? Okay, I can't figure this out. I don't know. Gets all the children, if they only add it to the stack if it's a child. And yeah, okay, whatever. I can't spend all day doing this, but kind of sucks that I just like messed this up. One, two, three, four, and to check. Running on 0 into the check. Why? Daily grind, daily gains. This guy won't stop. Yeah, still solving. Still solving. What's up, no condom, Chris? I'm still stuck on another bug. Still stuck. On another graph problem that like I thought I would have had, but apparently not. They like messed like one thing up. That's it. We're like slowly like hammering our way up. So we're at almost at 69, 169, which I guess would leave about almost at like 100 problems left. Slowly chipping away. Yesterday, I did like 5 problems from this list. So if we're doing 5 problems a day. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I only have like these 3 left for this week, but I might. And I guess I don't because I have these weird ones. So then I have to go back and do all the DP stuff. So we'll do these 3 ones and then just like do dynamic programming, and that should be good. Don't forget the contest on Saturday too. Yep, true. What I don't know what color I should add to this background so that the chat can be seen when I like go between dark mode and light mode. I'll probably ask ChatGPT, what color should I make this? Running on 0. Oh, because I'm so stupid. I added this stupid if node. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Seems fine already. Wait, what'd you? I forgot what I don't remember what I said. Seems fine already. Maybe you meant the code. I don't know, but like that I screwed myself with that. Oh, the background? No, it changes. If I make this white, you can't see anything. You can barely read what you're saying. I have to. Let me ask ChatGPT actually now. Let me. This thing here. What color should make the text on my Twitch chat so it blends well with white and black backgrounds? It says gray works. Or pastel colors. Or gold. Or outlines, black outlines. So I could add a outline to it. Let's see, stream elements. And then stream chat, text. Probably if I add outlines, I think that'd be better. Oh no. Okay, I don't even see that. Opacity. Make it just a little bit more gray. Okay, we'll go with that. Cool. Okay, and then this problem, which looks to be a little bit better. Check if node in processing. Return true, which should move up all the way. Then go here, add it to processing for child and node. If it's not in scene, what if I do like if child in processing return true? What if I do that? Okay, perfect. Print length of scene, or print scene. Zero, 1. 0, 1. So we go 0. Oh my god, this is so stupid. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna look it up because I've spent way too much time on this. Like, way too much, and it's just like debugging it. I need to figure out what I did wrong for my has cycle. Check cycle. Oh, there's like more than that? Really? Detect cycle. This is the idea. You just check if it has a cycle. Visited. So you don't even do a processing, you just do pure scene. No, but I don't have any submissions for this. I don't even think I've ever solved this problem. I think it's going really slow. Going really slow. I saw Leetcode crashed. Like, I was doing Leetcode maybe like a week ago, and like the site was down. I was so sad. All right, let's see. So we have okay, saw this one in 2021 of December. Probably on stream too. Oh, I don't have to use a for loop. I can just go once and then do it. Interesting. Building the graph, like this is like what I do. This is what I do. I would not have put that there. At the visited, and then just check if the child. If child and visited, then it has a cycle. If it's not, then it's not. think is fine. I thought would be fine. Like half cycle at 0. This is another one. If the length of edges is not equal to 1. Was that like the problem? No, yeah, I was like, I don't think that's a problem. I think the problem is just this is just broken. I think this is already maybe there. Whatever. This is so annoying. So annoying. Okay, I'm... maybe it is like non-local. Because I wouldn't want to make this problem like in an interview. I don't want to make this mistake in an interview because that would be terrible. Zero, 1. Okay, node. Add it. Loop. Then DFS it. Yeah, oh my god, yeah, whatever. I wish I knew what I did wrong here, but I wish I knew. Wait, so I just have to come back to it. Because this should have taken me like 10 minutes to code, but it did not. It's a little worrying. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna just look through some of the news, I think, and then I think that'll be it. So let's see. Rate my resume. Why would Meta call 20K workers just to hire like crazy now? Which is like business. This is like kind of like a business question. Like maybe they wanted to fire like their bad workers, or maybe they want to close organizations, and it's just way easier to do that than moving people around. Maybe things changed, right? Like in the span of a year. You can't really know the answer to that. I'm fucked. Basically have an Amazon interview coming up. Not a single question is striking me. Rip. Rip. We'll always have like more time in the future. Yeah, there's always more time in the future. Like you're not sold down to like one company interview. Or should I getting the general algorithm for those 60 and moving on to less frequently? Oh, a lot of people who are worried. Wait, I see you got to do the weekly premium, 35 coins. Yeah, I haven't done it. I have not done it. You have some number of sticks, these lengths, given as an array sticks. I realized that if I really wanted to grow like my stream, aside from doing like the YouTube shorts that I'm doing, I could also like do the YouTube shorts, but then point to the stream, and then also I can do these like LeetCode problems, because there's actually like a really big community within LeetCode. So like if I like share a solution, I can get traction that way. And really, I think really the one goal that I want is to have my VODs stay up forever. Right now, they expire in a week because I do not have 5 people chatting at the same time, I think. Or like I know I have to average like 5 chatters or something. So that's like pretty small, and I think I can get that. But I want that, yeah, just for the VODs. I want the VODs to just stay up. Like I want all of them there. I think all assignments will. And I mean, it'll happen. Just got to wait. Just need, if I post, yeah, YouTube stores VODs. That's why I like YouTube. But YouTube doesn't have any like search functionality for streaming. So like when you go to YouTube, they only recommend you videos. So I won't actually get like new viewers. Ugh, dude, I need like water or something. But if I dual stream, the problem with dual streaming is that like I tried using Restream and it was just terrible. Like it was like super laggy during like the Cyberpunk thing. It's just a time thing. Like it'll happen with time. So if I'm just gonna like if I do like the daily as it comes out and then I post my solution and then I kind of like link my Twitch stream there, or I link the YouTube, right, or both, then like I'll slowly get like, and I'll hit that 5 chatter number at some point, and then I'll have Twitch VODs, and then like it's just simpler, I guess, right now too, because like I don't even think my like Wi-Fi can handle. No, it's not even the Wi-Fi. It's just like not even the software. Like it's like there's the only thing to do it is like Restream, or like some other platform. You got to pay them like $10 a month, and I don't want to do that. It's not happening. I'm only doing it once, but yeah, I'm only doing it with one platform for now, which is fine. Twitch has really good searchability though. Like so people go to Twitch and they're like, I want to see a stream of someone doing this, and like you can kind of get there. And there aren't that many people streaming LeetCode at like 5 p.m. or whatever. So yeah, so that's why like I'm preferring Twitch right now. Yeah. I need to like all these like I don't know why these people are on here. I need to like, yeah, this algorithm needs to like chill. I'm not following anybody who's like a booby streamer. I don't know if those people were. I mean, like Melina kind of is, but that's not me. Like, what is feature clips from smaller communities? Oh no, it's feature clips we think you'd like a booby streamer. Like, no, thank you. Okay, big titles is a def feature for the recommendation engine. Oh, big titties. Oh boy. Okay. So I'm gonna look at that problem in a second. I want to just look at this too, because I'm in the zone. All right. University of Tennessee. Oh, he put his university, but he didn't put his name. Bro, what? Just put your I mean, I don't know. People know where your university is. Like, I feel like it's not gonna be that hard. I don't know, but distribution algorithms. Okay, cool. Design a fully functional calculator. Event listeners. DOM. So problem in PIMDOS. This is good. It's good. In PIMDOS order. Utilize PyInstaller. Yeah, this is fine. You just need to add like more new numbers. He just needs to add more numbers. Another thing too, I need to stop saying like and like whenever I'm like streaming, talking, like doing anything. because I think that kills. I hate listening to that. So he just needs to have like numbers, like the Google format, right? So there's the Google ideas that like you add numbers. So you say like, oh, I increased X doing Y, or add buzzwords, buzzwords. Say that you did Kubernetes and you have AWS and Docker and bro implemented F minus 32 temperature converter. Temperature converter allows you to convert temperatures between Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Uses segmented style pickers and decimal pads to get user input. Yeah, this is not a. That's a ChatGPT. That's the ChatGPT app. I can unironically ask ChatGPT to code this, and then like just turn this into my thing, like so easily, bro. That's like AI. I feel like is gonna change the amount of projects you can do. Like, imagine how many like you can have like a pretty advanced portfolio just using ChatGPT. Like you just kind of like guide it through. Like if you say, oh, build me a calculator that does this, and you tailor that for each resume. So like sometimes you only want like a front end resume and a back end resume. So you can actually like improve your strength overall by like you just pick the whichever one you want. Cheat codes. It doesn't matter for us, I guess, but I think one day people are going to realize it. Maybe. I kind of want to do a YouTube video about that. I think I could make it pop. Okay. So minimum cost to connect sticks. These links. You can connect any two sticks of links X and Y into one stick by paying a cost of X plus Y. You must connect all sticks until there's only one stick remaining. Return the minimum cost of connecting all sticks in one way. Sounds like a sorting problem, possibly. 1 and 3 for 4. 4 and 5 for 9. Yeah, so 1 we're doing this in order, so like I think this is just a sorting, so this is going to be sorted for sure. Although I don't even understand the problem fully. But okay, maybe it could be like a stack too, but I think this is going to be sorted, so I wouldn't mind if AI just took over. Couldn't be worse than what we have right now. I think I'm kind of scared about I'm kind of scared for this election year. Not like I don't think anything bad's gonna happen, but it's just getting crazy out there. It's getting crazy. And I feel like just something wild is gonna happen. That's the only thing that kind of worries me. Let me see, 0. So I have 2, 3, 4. So with 2, 3, and 4, we'll have 2 and 3. Like we could add it and then pop it. I think it's just like a stack. So you just add like 2 plus 5 or 2 plus 3 is 5, and then you just keep going. So then you go to 4 and you're like, oh, well, pop it. Trump is closing in. 106 betting odds versus 188. Yeah. Yeah. That was wild too. 2016 was so crazy. During the election, at least, like, I remember I was just like playing World of Warcraft and then just like hearing like Trump like dominating every single state. And I was like, okay, well, shoot, well, I guess Trump's winning. And then it just like flipped massively probably from the mail-in ballots. But I'm definitely hoping Biden wins. So that's going on stream. But it's not really a hot take, I guess, over Trump. Unless you live in like a rural city. Yeah. I don't know what's going to happen first. World War III or second Civil War. The country is ridiculously polarized. Yep, that's like the exact problem. That's why I'm like worried. I'm like, oh yikes, like it's just getting so polarized, like with January 6th and with like cancel culture. Yeah, it's not slowing down. Anyway, so for this problem, I think you just like, aside from like the politics, with this problem, I think you just like have a stack and add 2, and then you pop, and then you just keep adding, and then that gets you there in like O of n. So add like the first 2 sticks. He said his order supersedes federal with the wires on the border issue. Texas governor just told Biden to go F himself, really? With the wires, I didn't know there were wires on the border. I didn't know, I didn't hear anything about like any of that stuff or the Texas. I think one thing I am going to do, I guess, going into this year too, is like just stopping like any politics consumption. I may look at some things for the election, but yeah, just happiness wise, like there's like no benefit. Like it's like listening to problems. It's like politics is like you listen to problems and you can't do anything about them, but you're just listening to them, and that's all you do. Like nothing good ever happens, really. It's just politics is just 2 people like in conflict and arguing, which is cool because like it's cool to see people fighting, and I personally I love that. I love like hearing debates, but you can't do anything, you can't change it, so you're just like sitting there. Yeah, and so it's just like you just feel more depressed. Yeah, I feel like news is just entertainment. Yeah, like not anything actionable. Yeah, exactly. Like I like debates. Yeah, they're super fun, but happiness wise, I don't think it generates anything like at all. I'd rather like I don't know, watch some comedians talk about some I was trying to think of like some comedian telling a joke. Theo Vaughn. I love Theo Vaughn. Okay, if the length of sticks is 1, we'll just return sticks at 0. And we'll just have a stack that has this, but it's gonna have stick 0 plus stick 1. And then we'll just like for I in range, like the length of sticks. And we'll start it at 2. Five plus 4. I actually think this is the answer. No, I don't even think I needed a stack. I just needed a variable. No, let's see, wait, 9. Now you have sticks at 9. There's only 1 stick left. Wait, okay. 2 and 3. So right, so we add in 5. So we have 2 and 3, 5. Then we're like, okay, well 5 plus 4 is 9. So then we have this array of 9. And the total cost is 5 plus 9. Okay, I probably should have understood the question before I just started solving it, but it only took me like 2 minutes to write this, or 5 minutes. So positive numbers, length sticks at eyes, length, connect them. Let's connect them until there's one. Return the minimum cost of connecting all. The total cost is 5 plus 9. Okay, so if there's one stick, it's 0. And the total cost is 4 plus 9 plus 17. Okay, sure, I guess. So it would be just all of the answers that are so far. Like that, and then you just like sum answers. Yeah, but then we don't even need the answers. Like I did this kind of weird, but you just plus equals like val. If we want to optimize a little bit. Just to clean this up a bit. And I did something wrong. Nice. When there's one stick left. Yeah, this shit gets me a little worried. And the fact that I live in NY means that my vote is meaningless. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm kind of trying to think. I think that because I'm not like super worried because I don't think anything like cataclysmic is going to happen. But this year seems like it's going to have the highest probability of a cataclysmic event. So like that's the thing. Maybe that's like, I don't know. It's kind of weird, but like I don't think anything's going to happen. Like I think it's very low. I think it'll be fine. Honestly, all the mental deficiency talk about Biden, I'm actually fine with. It's meaningless either way. Because it's the people behind the scenes managing shit anyways. I know Biden will let them do their jobs. Well, Trump won't because he's just the illusion of control. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. For sure, for sure. This is 1, 4. Okay, I guess this isn't something then. Some 6 will be used more than others, yeah. I might need to sort this every single time or something. I feel like I really don't care if both of them would have Alzheimer's. Obviously, it would be better if they didn't. Oh yeah, if you can, you might want to get those Biden EV bucks where you start making big money again. What's how much, I mean, did he give like that much for electric vehicles? I do really want an electric vehicle. I do really want an electric vehicle. Biden EV. EV. What is it like? You get like tax credits or something? 7,500. I think I was thinking, and like I know it's like Like there's I think there's two paths when you're trying to choose a car, and it's either or there's three actually. There's buying used, buying new, and then buying or like leasing. And I think I kind of want to just lease a car. Like I kind of want to just like lease cars. But I know it's like burning money. Like the optimal, like if you're like trying to save as much money as possible, you just buy like a $10,000, which probably used to be $5,000, like Toyota Camry, Corolla, or whatever. Yeah, there's a lot of Teslas in the U.S. Like it didn't used to be like that. Everybody has a Tesla. Everyone wants a Tesla, which kind of makes me not want to have a Tesla. But I might lease like the next car, I guess, that I get. We'll lease. Yeah. There's a lot of Teslas. There's a lot of Teslas though. I think. Yeah, well, we'll see. See what happens. I might, but I kind of want to just lease the car, especially if I'm in San Francisco, then I'm gonna have a car. If I'm in New York, I most likely will not have a car. But it's gonna depend, I guess, on where I'm going. If I'm in Seattle too, like you need a car. A perfect car for most tech bros. But I really want electric. SF, you probably don't want a car, really? I thought SF was like you need a car. Like there is no public transit. Like the metro that I took was terrible. It was really bad. Maybe downtown SF. I don't know anything about SF though. Like Mountain View. Maybe you just only go to work. I don't know. I don't know how it works, but. Okay, I think apparently I just got screwed with this. I thought this was going to be an easier problem than it was. The idea is to live near work and just walk there? Okay. Alright. For South Bay, going down to San Jose. Is it San Jose? Mountain View. Maybe this is a stack problem. If I were going to do this as a stack, it would be just popping. Or you could use a heap. Not a heap, but like a... Maybe it is a heap. To always get the smallest one. Get the sticks. And then heap queue dot heapify. Oh my god, why am I doing this? Okay, figure this out. Let's lose this. And just try like getting a heap so we always have the smallest value. Whatever time are we at? Okay, I'm gonna spend like maybe 5-10 minutes, 2 more minutes on this problem. If the heap doesn't work, then I'm just gonna look up the solution basically. So we'll do the heap, we'll pop it to get whatever the lowest value is, and then we'll, I guess, pop it again to get the second largest, and then we'll just take the answer and then add them together. It's like kind of weird variable names, but whatever. And then we'll just add it back into the heap, add it to the sum, and then add it back into the heap. And it's a min heap in Python, so that works. And then we'll just go do the entire length. And then answer is equal to 0. And then probably should be while heap. While there are sticks, we'll just keep doing this process. Okay, while the length of heap is greater than 1. Cool. And yep, this is it. Cool. The heap did work. I don't know, I was kind of half distracted doing this and not looking too much into it. I maybe would have not seen this, that these things were like broken, but that these solutions, like these examples, didn't really encapsulate the full story, and that there's like a edge case, but whatever. Yeah, but this is one of those problems where like it has 6 discussions, and right, is that the discussions or the solutions? Probably not, actually. Probably different. Is it? No, it's only... No, there's a lot. There's a lot. Okay. I was going to say, like, that's, like, so low, but I should probably post on here more, like, just for the... Yeah. I'm trying to... The goal, I need 5. Let's see. Can I show the goals on here? Maybe even put it on my screen or something. I don't know. Yeah, you have to do it when it comes out and then like post it, because I think people also like the freshest answers, not the ones that are like from 3 years ago. Yeah, it's at 7 p.m. Eastern time, I think. Okay, yeah. So here it is. Here's the goal. But yeah, I think I'll get there. I just need a... Also, if I post more on LinkedIn too, I could probably direct some people from there to come see. But average of 3 viewers. Average of 3 viewers. I had... I probably had this too when I was actually streaming regularly, like 2 years ago. But this is the only one I need. Then we're good. I want to say that... I want to see what Simon's thing was. Am I crazy, or just all these people that I have? If you need viewers, you should stream after midnight, Simon. He always needs people to raid. Okay, cool. He's on Pacific though, so it's gonna be a 1 a.m. stream. A 1 a.m. East Coast. Oh boy. He's Eastern? Really? Oh, I thought he was in California. I mean, he was in California, but I thought he was still there. Good to see he got out of Oakland. Good to see. Yeah, but like I think he might have all of his past broadcasts. I think. Oh no, he doesn't. I wonder what he did with them. I feel like that, man, that's like such an incredible story too. Like when stream time is until midnight EST. Oh, that's rough. But yeah, that's like 1 a.m. Or I guess midnight. I'm not a night owl though. I'm a early bird. Do you know how cool of a story it would have been? Or how cool of a story it is too. That like Simon was like, I think he was like the one who's doing like day 1, day 2, day 3 of Leetcode all the way up until like day 100, I think, or something. And then he had his Google interview, and then he got it. Like you could do. That's like a really cool story. I don't know. Like I would like to want to see like a compilation video, or even like doing one maybe. Like that'd be cool. There's not a lot of people who like have that like public where they're like grinding it out. Yeah, you can milk it for sure. Yeah. But like not even I don't know, cuz like obviously he doesn't care about it, like, and he has his Google job. So it doesn't matter really, but like for like views or whatever, but I think it'd just be cool to just have it, like just have that video and just like, you know, just so you can watch it. Just be like, okay, this is my achievement. I don't know. Anyways, but like, yeah, I guess these are all gone. I'm not sure what happened to them. I don't know if he deleted them or why he did. I have to ask him. Now he's trying to get to Guardian. I think, oh, also, how do you get to Guardian? I saw like a Chinese website. I saw a Chinese website and it said that you have to score like, what, 0.01% or something? And also have like an 1800 or something. Was it this one? Oh my god. I think you have to like score like top 10% and then also have like a rating of like 2000 or something. I don't remember. GitHub. Is it this one? This is the Chinese one I think I saw. Top 5% of people. Yeah, so here it is. This is the Chinese person. For Leetcoders with a rating greater than 600, if you're in the top 5% of a contest rating, you'll get the Guardian badge. So this means you have to be the top 5% of everybody who's greater than 1600. And I guess this person is saying that is about 2200. So I guess then that means Simon's really close to Guardian. Okay. And then, okay. Nice. Nice. Did I show you my, my thing too? I got from like the contest we did last time, like I like bumped up. So I guess I'm almost, maybe, possibly like, you know, getting a night. So because here, I think I did better than like, that Columbia internet. Holy Columbia internet lag. Okay, also I'm not using Ethernet, so my Wi-Fi is unstable. I've got 300 megabytes download speed. Oh my god. Wait. Okay, I feel like my thing is not working. The website's just not working. I wonder if it's faster if you hotspot my phone. Is it still lagging? Okay. Well, yeah, so, yeah, but I think I did pretty well on this, so I think I can keep going and maybe crack. But I guess the Guardian is what? Not Guardian. I'm not getting Guardian. Not yet, at least. Maybe I can get it. I don't know. Who knows? But 1842. I got high hopes for this Saturday. For some people in the city, the home internet is really dated, but they have like really fast 5G. Yeah, we're going big moves. I think I can do it because I was looking at the contest and the people who I scored like about at were at like top 10%. So I think I got it. I think I got it. I fell down too, I think, because of this 10 thing. Anyways. I got my 35 coins, and maybe one day we'll get the shirt. Alright, cool. I don't know if there's anyone else like doing LeetCode stuff. B. Becca. I guess he doesn't have a job either because he's online right now. He disabled rating, so it's nobody can rate him. Oh, he just started too, like 3 minutes ago. That's crazy. $420-day streak. Yeah, if I do raid, I don't think it works. Yeah, the target channel has disabled raids. Does he have any? I'm curious if he has any info on him. Yeah, I'll say hi. Sorry, what you say? This dude grinds so hard. I didn't say anything. Shoot, I just asked him a question too, and I can't even hear the thing. He looks like really young. Dude, I hate this. This is taking forever to load. What's happening right now? Where am I? I'm trying to see if I could find anything on him. I don't even think, Jesus, please, just load. Yeah, I literally I can't see anything. This is the most brutal thing I've seen. I guess you mean the problem that he's solving? I don't know what you mean. Your internet? Yeah. Yeah. It's not a... Also, I got the weak security. I have like I bought a router, but I mean that doesn't even matter. That's not gonna affect anything. Oh, I see what's happening. It's turning off. Yeah, the Wi-Fi is literally just shutting off. That's so stupid. Oh my god. Yeah, no, I think it's just this company is just so stupid. The Wi-Fi is just turning off. That's it. I can't, yeah, I don't know. I can't find too much. But just the way he wants it. And then like past VODs, no past VODs either. Oh. Yeah, whatever. I guess he'll turn on his raids and then I'll like raid him after or something. But okay, I'm gonna go eat and maybe be on later to just solve stuff on stream. Maybe. Oh, and I guess another thing too I should mention, I guess before I leave, is that I still have the, let's see. Oh my god. Okay, cool. I have... Let's grind out 5 more problems. Bro, 5 is a lot. 30 minutes a problem? That's like what? 2.5 hours? Jesus. It's taking so long. Anyways, so the point of me saying this is that I made like 4 shorts out of like the stream highlights. And this is why I use an extension to get rid of all of YouTube recommendations. I should, actually I might need to know what's being recommended, probably, just for like researching. I have 2 accounts. This is like my account. I'm just like playing around with stuff. So this is all like just tech people. This isn't, I guess, my real subscriptions. Granted, yeah, probably isn't too much of a difference. But yeah, no, I made 4 shorts out of like basically the stuff that we were doing. So I don't think nothing super funny happened really, but yeah, was Easy Post chill? Like my first impressions of Easy Post, probably like my first month, was that it is toxic, like just toxic. There was, I mean, it was chill. Like for me, it was chill for me. Like I didn't have any problems. So I was like, I noticed some things that just seemed like super weird, but nothing. There's no problem with me directly, and then so I kind of just kept at it. But after about a year, it eventually caught up to me, and then I was a part of it, and then I was like, okay, there's no point of me working here. I would just go solo and then like try to do doing like business stuff, like build my own business, just for a little bit, get experience, relax, travel, live in Colombia. But that's it. Like, I mean, it was chill. Like for me, it was chill. Ugh. Towards the end, it's like ramped up, and I think it's probably more like a dumpster fire now, if I had to guess. A lot of cool engineers though, a lot of smart people. So it was good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but okay. I'm just kind of just talking to myself at this point, but I feel like this one's going to do very well. If it doesn't, then I'll make another video that hooks people in better. That's all. That's all. Views consistently. Yeah, if you post like an algorithm problem, it'll, and we're just trucking along, huh, with this internet. Yeah, if you post an algorithm problem, like just anything, you'll get like 100 views on it. The best algorithm problem that I did had like a really nice hook on it. I added music and stuff like that. So that's just how to do BFS. So yeah, like just saying like only 50% of LeetCoders could solve this week's problem. It was a contest problem, so I guess people were looking up how to do it on YouTube maybe. And I guess I got 3 subscribers out of that. So that one, I don't know, these things take a lot of time. Like this one takes a little bit of time. Most people are actually stuck at the basics. Yeah. The things that are like the best, like for like reward ratio, are mostly just me talking like into the camera, like for whatever reason. So like this was just like a 5-second conversation, but like it got like 100 views. And the same with this one. Like this one actually took editing work, and I'd rather just focus on LeetCode, just LeetCode and system design. But yeah, I think you can get about like 100 views, like just like doing random stuff. Anyways, I guess that's it. Because anyways, what the point of this is just saying that like the conversations that you have with me on like, you know, Twitch chat, which is public, I guess, but I'm making like little shorts out of them. That was really the point of me saying this, just then making shorts out of like all of the interactions that we're doing. Then hopefully people see them and know I'm streaming and blah blah blah, and can get more. Goal right now is just 5 concurrent viewers. Cool. All right, I'm gonna head out and eat, and I'll stream. Maybe try to do a 2.5-hour stream where I just like drill through all of like these 5 problems or something. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah. Adios.